So first we're going to prepare the green beans here, and she's just sort of, she's already taken the ends off of them here and cleaned them. And we're just sort of snapping them into a bit of smaller pieces. You can snap or you can cut them, it's up to you. Now you can see they're all cut up and ready to go. So this is about the size that they should be. We're gonna put some teaspoons of oil in there, and we're gonna put just a little, just a pinch of salt. Not a whole lot of salt, about half a teaspoon or so of salt. You're gonna mix it together into the meat. And the beef should be very thinly sliced. You want it to cook up very fast.
15 phút.
Yeah, you put this down for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes or so. You let it marinate and sit. Next, we're cutting up the tomatoes. You really want to use fresh tomatoes if you can. Everything in Vietnam, it's better fresh. We don't use canned at all. So you see they're cut up into slices like that. Next comes the garlic. And the easiest way to do it is you smash it. This is really the easiest way to do garlic. Peel it, smash it. Then you just cut it up. When you learn how to cut garlic this way, there's no excuse not to be using fresh garlic instead of some of the other garlic that they have. The fresh is so much better. Everything's pretty much cut up. You can see that didn't take a lot of time at all. We're going to do now what's called a quick boil, where we're just going to put the beans into the water for a quick, what we call a quick boil. So quick boil is literally just that. You just stick them in the water. You boil them for about a minute. You see you don't need a whole lot of water here. And then you just let them boil. So this is the way the beans should look when you quick boil them. You can see how they sort of have this rich green color, but they aren't limp at all. They're still just a little bit crisp. So you can see here, they're cooked, but they're not overcooked. So we put some oil there in the wok. Here it's sizzling. We're going to put the garlic in first. Mix it around, just let it cook. Want to be a little bit brown. there it is there. About a minute or so you're cooking it. Then you put the thinly sliced beef in. Right into the garlic. You can see how thin that beef is. You really want it thin. See how fast it's cooking because it's so thin. Then your temperature is hot, and you're just really doing just stirring it constantly. It'll take more than a minute, maybe a minute and a half, maybe at the most 2 minutes. It's very fast. Where the pink is pretty much all gone. You put that away. Now you're going to put some more oil in. The same hot pan. Don't need to worry about cleaning it out. Put tomatoes in and let them cook. We'll let them cook here for a minute or so. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of water here to tomatoes, so they're going to cook better. So you can add your 1/4 cup of water here. So they're kind of like the fresh tomatoes are almost stewing. You want them to be soft. Once you've added the water, you get some good tomato flavor. And now she's kind of taking this little wooden sort of, especially take some, she's sort of smashing the tomatoes down a little bit, mixing it sort of all in together there. So you're almost kind of making a stewed tomato out of fresh tomatoes. You kind of see there how the mixture's starting to look and how they're cooking all up. Now we're going to put the green beans in. Make sure the green beans have already been slightly cooked. We're just going to mix them all together with the tomatoes. And add some more salt. What? More, yeah, some more salt now. Cook it all together. wok works really well for this. You can turn it down slightly if you want to. This next step, you just turn it down just a little bit. So make sure you keep stirring. The final step is going to add the beef mixture back in. Mix it all together. And there you have it. It's your green beans, Vietnamese green beans and beef stir-fry. It's quite an easy dish to make and quite a quick dish. You let it cook for 1 minute. And then it's done, ready to serve. See right there, all that great fresh ingredients. We love to serve the Vietnamese stir-fry beef, green beans, and tomatoes with brown rice and the Vietnamese cucumber salad. You can find the recipe for the Vietnamese cucumber salad also on our blog or on our webpage. Thank you, friends, so much for listening. We really do appreciate it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to have you be part of us. And please check out our webpage, A Bus on a Dusty Road. Have a great day.